smell it. Yeah, now I can. Oh my gosh. Hey. Sorry. All in all, though, this is pretty calm. I mean, wow. Me too. This is a first. I did not see my life preserver. I was just, you were talking in your sleep. You were going, huh? And then I hear banging in the rooms next to ours. Next thing I know, they're hollering on the speaker. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Now I smell it. Okay. What deck do we go to? 5. Okay. We go to 8, right? Out there.
Number 10. Number 8, madam. You're number 8. Number 10.
Boy, this is a YouTube, isn't it? Still wonder now, why did they not send the main alarm? Hey, we're straight out that door there. You can get it out there, don't worry about it. The ship's not going down.
I know that, but
Don't want to go to the front of the ship.
Do you think we're going to get in lifeboats?
that was great.
Look. Oh man. Excuse me. Oh, thank you. Those fire guys. In full uniform.
Number 10, Passenger station number 10, inside the casino, please.
10 in the casino.
10, please, casino.
Hey, we're 8. This is 8. Yep. This is where I'm going, right here.
Yep. You need a life jacket, baby.
I know. They'll get me one. They will.
Message to all guests and to bus station 8 and 10. Please proceed to the casino. Please proceed to the casino.
And 10 casino.
8 and 10 casino. Station 8 and 10 casino.
Us?
8 as well.
I need a life preserver. I didn't find one in the room.
What do you say, sir?
I didn't find my life preserver in the room.
You didn't have his life jacket.
We only saw one.
Go on to the casino.
All right. Go on to the casino?
Yeah, go to the casino.
Okay.
Now we're going to get back.
I have no idea. Everybody's coming out.
8 and 10.
8 and 10 to the casino.
8 and 10 casino.
Okay, we got to come out. Excuse us. 8 and 10 to the casino. To the right? No, to the left.
8 and 10.
8 and 10 to the casino. Excuse me? 8 and 10 to the casino. Gracie? Gracie? You there? Okay.
Stay right there.
Go ahead.
This way, please. Get into casino.
Yeah, next you get to
Man, what is the chances of this?
your master station, and please proceed to your master station.
This is not a drill.
At the master station 8 and 10, it has been relocated to the casino.
You know why? They don't want us on deck 5.
All the guests who are
I thought they said the fire was on 5 first.
to the casino, take care. Bye.
Lord, people are crying. There they go. Oh my God. Huh? What a story this is.
No te van a dejar bajar.
No quiero buscar mis cosas.
No, no tienes que buscar nada ya.
Oh,